Hi, I'm Kasim. Now you have my fingerprint and you can use that to open my phone. Last video we're talking about the most basic easy ways to do carding. There they told in detail what methods there are to steal money from the card. If for you this interesting, links are in the description. Today we will talk about biggest cyber robbery, the sophisticated new carding techniques and how to protect yourself from it. Many have a question, is carding a leaf? Yeah, it's a leaf, but only the methods have changed. There is no such the forum that sells card data, and there are no such scammers and bad skates, because now all ATM are protected from cards. There is a camera on every ATM. Now the whole operation needs confirmation. Technology developing, but human literacy has not yet been fully developing. Showing your card very openly in public place. If carders save your card in the video recorder from the camera, then you receive your card number, expiration date, CVV code of your card. Then he will be himself some expensive eat that do not ask for PIN code. People still fall for phishing attack or social engineering. You may receive message from PayPal, but it could be a fake message. Carders make copy of the PayPal website. Write the name of the site, not PayPal, but PayPal. Big letter. You do not even use. Look, no difference. And send a message to people like you urgently need to log into your account so that we protect your account and the like. Many people log into their account and writes their password login. That's how scammers get your data. Many seniors do not understand and simply ignore this message. And therefore carders call them and tell them, I am PayPal employee. There is danger in your wallet. We need your password and login so that we defend your account. And so they run out of money. There was such an event when Ursula von der Leyen, German defense minister, it was hacked by a group of hackers from the Capitol of House managed to get Ursula's fingerprint from photographs in news releases. Hackers copied the fingerprint on a plastic board, covered it with graffiti, then glued it on a rope and voila! The copy is ready. Now in development countries, to withdraw cash from card at an ATM, we need your face. All cards lost, carding died. There was no way to hack. We won. But carders don't stop. They study your face from different angles and make a 3D model of your face. And with this way, they cheat ATMs and iPhones. And even ATM machines can cheat if you have a twin or very similar person. There are cases when bloggers prove that iPhones can be deceived. Now an ordinary schoolboy is not engaged in carding, who just buys data and cards and removes. Talented programmers and very smart teams are engaged in carding and not on person, and only hunt rich people or company manager. Imagine, you are a top manager of a large multinational corporation. You've come to do the main deal. Settled in the hotel, the staff who promised you maximum safety and confidentiality is in fact waiting for you unusual hospitality. You connect to the local Wi-Fi. The hotel requires your last name and room number. After that, you receive the usual notification about the update of the Adobe Flash offer. You click update and you do download updates, but along with the update, a backdoor also arrives at you. An algorithm that allows hacker to remotely control the victim's computer. Now all social networks, all messenger, all message in the mail, password are seen not only by you. But this is not the main things for hacker. The goal of hacker enter your corporation network. After all, you are working in a serious company, which is the most likely serious protected. When you entering your corporation network, then hackers steal money from this company. They withdraw real money and leaves only fake numbers in the account that can't show up, and clears all digital traces from the computer. And then you don't know how the virus got into my company. If you really being hacker and make money on it, you really love hacker film and games, you can become a hacker and earn decent, honest money. Do not be afraid to sit on the present. This is when you hack into some system, tell this company their system vulnerability. Then they pay you money that you helped them find weak points in the system. Elon Musk promised to give 100,000 if someone breaks into a Tesla car. We spent a lot of time and energy to prepare you entertaining and useful content. I think it's worth subscribing and like. This is how motivates me to make good video. I'm Kasim, was with you. See you soon.